Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Virgin Australia plane tickets in 2024. Whether your plans have changed or you just need to cancel your flights, understanding how to get a refund from Virgin Australia is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Virgin Australia plane tickets. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use it wherever you want. And of course, before requesting a refund, it's important to understand like the Virgin Australia refund policy. Virgin Australia offers some different like refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Fully refundable fares can be refunded to the original form of payments like PayPal, Stripe, maybe your bank accounts, whatever it is. And of course, while non-refundable like fares may only like be eligible for travel credits or maybe vouchers for even future use. As example, if you're using it for the future, unless you're like canceling the flights within 24 hours. So yeah, to check, of course, if you're eligible for refund or anything like that, you can simply go to the URL section and type like Virgin Australia privacy or refund like privacy or policy actually. So policy, go, okay, yeah, click on this and I'll just want to visit their website also. So first of all, if you are very sure that your tickets or if you are very sure that you are eligible for this specific like refund, you don't need to check if you're eligible or not. All you need to do, of course, if you have an account, go to their websites, click on login to log in into your account. Make sure to log in into your account as example. Once you log into it, go click on your profile, click on my trips or my bookings or whatever it is. You'll find your trip there. Click on it and you'll find the cancel option. Click on the cancel. Once it's canceled, you will find there a request refund option. Click on that, fill up the form, and your request will be seen, of course, and they'll respond to you after 7 to 10 days. If it's accepted, you will get your full refund into your main or your original form of payments. But what if you pay or you book your booking, of course, on their websites, but you book it without creating an account or without logging in into your account? You book it as a gift, as a guest. In that case, you have two options. Either you go to your email that you book with. As example, I'll just go here to my Gmail and let's pretend this is the email that they send you with the tickets and everything about it. If you scroll down through the tickets, you'll find if you want to cancel the tickets, you'll find the blue link like this. If you click on it, of course, they'll take you to the page where you can cancel that specific ticket. Of course, once you cancel it, again, you'll have to request a refund. As I said, if you know you are eligible for a refund, if you are not, you'll just waste your time and your refund request will get denied. So if you know that you're eligible, maybe you choose the lastest plan on the tickets or the best plan, it's up to you. So the second option is to go to their website again, go and click on manage booking. Here, all you need to do is enter in your booking reference, where to find this example. You can find this using the velocity number if you don't like know it or don't know where is it. So normally it's just some letters with maybe some numbers. It's very like unique. You'll find it like booking references. Just go and copy that, enter it here, and enter the guest last name. Then click on manage booking, and basically you will be able to see that specific booking. Once you find it, click on cancel. You'll find the cancel button. Once it's canceled, you will be able to request a refund. And again, you will need to wait from 7 to 10 business days until you get a refund. Other than that, if you want to see if you're eligible or not, we'll need to go and check the refund policy. As you can see, a lot of things to read. So, purpose of this information: Virgin Australia is committed to complying with the Australian Consumers Law. This page sets our information about your rights and their customer guarantees where we have made the changes to your booking with us. This page does not contain information about the rights that you have as a customer. For more information about the rights under like ACL, visit the Australian Competition and Customer Commission website, or talk to an independent legal representative. So what are consumer like guarantees example? You can see simply and read that. For me, what I care about is this flight delays and cancellations. So we're committed to getting you to your destination safely and on time. However, sometimes this is not always possible for different reasons such as weather, natural disasters, and operational issues. While we will always try to meet our estimated departure and arrival times, your flight times are not guaranteed. And we recommend you to allow time, of course, in your travel plans to account for changes to your booking. We also recommend you to take out travel insurance to assist you or to assist with any unforeseen expenses. Whether or not a change to your booking consists, as example, a breach of the consumer guarantees will depend on a number of factors, including the reason of the delay cancellation. For example, it was caused by someone other than us, air traffic control, or an event outside of our control, dangerous weather condition, or medical emergencies or on board, the length of any delay, and whether we remedied the delay of cancellation. For example, if we're able to recommend you on another flight that departed within the reasonable time relative to your initiate scheduled departure date, note that what constitutes, as example, a reasonable time will depend on the circumstances and may not be the same each time you travel with us. So, of course, you can see the policy, etc. here. So to make a claim, as example, if you'd like to make a claim for a refund or compensation, if you book directly within Virtual Australia, you can contact them through here. As example, of course, if you meets all of those requirements in here, you can contact them from here. Or if you're booked through a travel agency, you'll need to contact them directly, as they say. As simple as that. So that's basically how you cancel and refund your Virgin Australia plane tickets in 2024. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.